Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors Property channel. In this video, you are watching 2024 SFT East facing flat for resale in North Star Homes District 1 property. It is on 100 feet road in Financial District next to Wipro Circle, and it is between ORR exit number 1 and Wipro Circle. You can see this is total private corridor to your flat. This is the view from your corridor. And this flat has two balconies. Almost the balcony size is 100 square feet plus. It is east facing flat. You can see this is more than 30 feet. It is big private corridor to this particular flat. It is total 8 feet height main entrance and 4 feet width. It is very grand entrance to this particular flat. It is looking like a villa entry. This is drawing. To drawing there is a big balcony. This is complete sliding door. And balcony railing is SS with glass. This is the view from your balcony. You can see that ICICI Towers and Financial District. This is right behind of the Continental Hospital. Opposite to Myscape Mia property. This is the setback inside the community. From tower to the boundary wall, 44 feet setback is there inside the community. And across tower, you can see there are amenities, kids play area and open air theatre, senior citizen lounge, all, and one party hall and coffee shop space, provision for ATM, all are at the ground level. And in this building there is no specific clubhouse, but more than 16,500 SFT amenities are there in the floors. Every two alternate floors the builder has given the amenities in two floors. This is complete drawing with balcony, and you see this windows frames, aluminum frames, Schuco brand. All specifications in the flat also high-end specifications are given. And to your living and dining area, you see this big window. You can enjoy the view from your dining and living, and good ventilation. That is ICICI Bank in Gachibowli, Financial District. Very close to Continental Hospital and hotels and shopping malls and all major IT companies. This is 3 BHK 2024 SFT, east facing. You are watching the kitchen. It is ready to occupy flat. You will get two-side kitchen platform in kitchen. It's a very big kitchen. The door is access to your utility. Very big utility is there. The property price is 1.8 crore, which is negotiable. There is a little space for the room negotiation. Interested buyers, please call us on below number to visit this property. To this flat, 54 square yards is the UDS in this, and this community is total 2 acres. In 2 acres, only 149 apartments, all are 3 BHK. Starts from 1535 SFT to maximum 2100 square feet. Sizes are available in this, but this is completely sold out property by the developer North Star Homes. This flat is for resale. This is the guest bedroom you are watching. Guest bedroom also with attached toilet. If you see, every corner of this flat is fully ventilated because builder did the plan such a way. Very unique floor plan, and entire tower also it is very unique. With big balconies and very big windows, and doors also 8 feet height doors, internal doors and main door. Main door is 4 feet width door. And specifications, if you see the fixtures and sanitary fixtures, all are from Brevat, and sanitary is Toto. Switches, wires, everything they use it top rated brands. And all locks also Cuba locks. In drawing there is a TV point, and in living and dining also there is a TV point. This is ready to interior. You can buy today, you can start your interior work tomorrow. To purchase this property, please call us on below number. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel for future videos. This is master bedroom. It's a very big master bedroom. In this property, builder is giving the wooden flooring in every master bedroom by default. It is completely wooden flooring. You see how big it is. And this flat is very unique because this particular tower is completely independent in entire this 2 acres community. There is no common wall. From this flat to other flat across 4 sides, minimum 30 feet gap is there. Open to sky. All sides. This is the master bedroom washroom, wet area. You can do here glass partition. %90 work is completed. 10% these fixtures need to be fixed. If you purchase today, till to the registration part, they'll complete the entire work in the flat, and they'll give you the handing over. This is complete master bedroom. Opposite to master bedroom, there is a children's bedroom with attached toilet with a balcony. See, there is a cupboard space in kitchen. This kids bedroom separate. Here also there is a big sliding door access to the balcony. You can understand complete flat watching the video. Price 1.8 crore, negotiable. Interested buyers, please call us on 9491807979. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe our channel. You can see this is the balcony, second balcony. That is also belongs to this flat only. That is your drawing balcony. You see how big it is. It is more than 100 feet. It's almost a bedroom size balcony. That is the beauty in this community. Every flat minimum 2 or 3 balconies are there. Very big balconies. You see very close to the Wipro, ISB, Microsoft, Cognizant, Cyient. This is Continental Hospital. You are watching Emergency 24/7 is Continental Hospital. If you go to the ISB road, second right is the Continental Hospital from this property. This is the Prestige main entrance road. You are watching, there are vehicles are going. That is ISB road, Kokapet exit number 1 outer ring road to ISB Wipro road. It is in a hot location. Recently there is a action by the Telangana government, that is